Have you ever noticed that many people visit a website but very few actually buy? That's because most business don't guide their visitor properly. A sales funnel is like a roadmap. It takes stranger and slowly turn them into a customer. Without a funnel, you are just hoping people will buy. And with funnels, you are guiding them step by step. So in this video, we will learn what a sales funnel is, how it's work, why you need it, and how you can build one easily using Systeme.io. So make sure you watch till the end because this can completely change the way you do online business. So what is sales funnel? A sales funnel is a system that moves people from first contact to final purchase. Think about a real funnel. At the top, many people enter. At the bottom, only serious buyers came out. In online business, it's the same. You first attract people, then you build interest, then trust, and finally they take action. For example, someone sees your videos, they click your link, they read your pages, they join your email list, and later they buy. All of this together is called sales funnel. So how's a sales funnel work? A sales funnel work in steps. First, people discover you, maybe through YouTube, Instagram, Google ads. Then they become interested. They read your content, watch your videos, or downloading something free. After that, they start trusting you. They see that you give value to understand their problems. Finally, they take action. They buy your product, join your program, or click an affiliate link. So, a funnel is not about selling fast, it is building no relationship between customer to get sales. Let's talk about main stages of sales funnel. There are four main stages. First is awareness. People find out that you exist. Second is interest. They like your content and want to know more. Then third is decision. They compare options and thinking about your buying. Fourth is action. They finally purchase or sign up. At every stage, your job is to help them, not push them. Now let's talk about types of sales funnel. There are many types of funnels like lead funnel, product funnel, webinar funnel, affiliate funnel, coaching funnel. In the lead funnel, you give something free like an ebook or checklist to collect email. Then second one is product funnel. You directly sell a product. Then webinar funnel. You invite people to training and sell at the end. Affiliate funnel. You promote someone else product and earn commission. Last one, coaching funnel. You sell courses, coaching or membership. The structure is similar, only the goal is different. Why every online business need a funnel? A funnel help you to sell more with less stress. It work even you are sleeping. It builds trust automatically. It save your time. It save your money as well. Instead of talking to everyone one by one, your funnel talk to thousand for you. That is why every serious online business use funnels. Let's talk about common mistake that people make. Many people fail because they do this mistake. They send traffic without a funnel. They don't follow up. They don't build trust. They sell too fast and they make things too complicated. Simple funnel work best. You don't need fancy designs. You need a clear message and good values. Now let's go to the main point. How to build a sales funnel easily. To build a simple funnel, you need four things. 1. A page that explain your offer. 2. Something valuable to give you. 3. Email follow-up. Or 4. Automation. Your funnel can look like this. Traffic, page, email, follow, sales. You don't need many tools. You just need a one good platform. So what is the best software for building a funnel? That's called Systeme.io. To build funnel easily, you need a software. Systeme.io is perfect for beginner and even for professional. With Systeme.io, you can build a sales page, create funnel, send email, automate followers, run affiliate program as well. And the best part is you can start for free. You don't need many tools. Everything is one place. That is why I personally recommend Systeme.io. Check the Systeme.io link in the description and pin comment. Now, final verdict. Now you know what a sales funnel is, how it's work, why it's important and how to build one. If you are serious about online business, you must start using a sales funnel today. And if you want an easy and powerful tool, check the Systeme.io link in the description. You can start for free and build your first funnel today. Don't wait, start now, build your funnel, and grow your online business.